Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are visiting one of the most popular places in Lagos, the famous Landmark Center. This place is located in the heart of Victoria Island, Lagos, and it is home to many fun spots like the famous Hard Rock Cafe, Lagos, and the interesting Upside Down House. In this video, I will take you on a grand tour around Landmark Center. We will explore the lounges, see the beautiful environment, visit the Hard Rock Cafe, and enjoy an exciting traditional Ogene dance. And in my next video, I will give you a full tour inside the Upside Down House. So stay tuned. Let's begin this tour. Before now, this area used to be the very popular Landmark Beach. Many people came here to relax, enjoy the ocean view, and have fun with friends and family. But today, things are changing. This area is now part of the big road project called the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. From my drone shot, you can clearly see where the beach used to be. Soon, this new highway will connect many coastal cities in Nigeria. It is amazing to see how Lagos continues to grow and change. Now we are arriving at one of the most famous spots here, the beautiful Hard Rock Cafe, Lagos. This place is known all over the world for music, food, and great vibes. Inside, you will find delicious meals, refreshing drinks, and music from famous artists. The atmosphere here is lively and fun. Many visitors, tourists, and celebrities come here when they visit Lagos. It is also a great place to relax while enjoying the amazing view of the Atlantic Ocean. One of the most exciting moments of today's tour is the beautiful traditional dance. Right here at the Landmark Center, I joined a group performing the energetic Ogene music and dance. Ogene music is a traditional sound from the Igbo culture in Nigeria. The music is played using metal gongs called Ogene. The rhythm is powerful, the dance is full of energy, and the culture is beautiful to watch. As you can see, we are dancing, celebrating, and enjoying the rich culture of Nigeria right here in Lagos. That was our amazing tour around the Landmark Center, from the former Landmark Beach to the Hard Rock Cafe and the exciting Ogene dance. This place truly has a special vibe. And remember, in the next video, we will explore the famous upside down house inside the Landmark Center. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. See you in the next adventure. Enjoy the rest of this video. Bye bye.